Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some happy mail from Ms Magaret L. You see all this beautiful goodness? I'll give you a close-up look. And if you give me just a few minutes, we will start with this beautiful baby blue trim. It's a GIMP. So we have that one. This is a mint green. It's going to show up a different color. There we go. We have that one. We have this beautiful GIMP here. We have this gorgeous trim here. It's got sequins and it looks like it's holographic, a holographic type, you know. Then we have this trim, which has little, it's like gold beads on on the sides and like rhinestones in the middle. We have this lavender trim with white pearls and little flowers on it. I have an idea for this one. All this I have an idea for, really. And then final, we have this red GIMP. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be happy, be crafty, be safe, stay safe, be kind, be loving, and happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.